Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss a new topic of human physiology, which is kidney. So as we know that kidney is a very important organ in human body, right? So here is the structure of kidney. So kidney is used for the cleansing system in our body, right? It is responsible for the cleansing service in our body, which is known as urinary system. This whole system is known as urinary system, right? So it filter about the half cup of the blood in every minute and about the 1700 liter of blood per day, right? So here is the pair of kidney present over here. So each kidney is bean shaped structure, right? Bean shaped structure, this bean shaped structure, right? And this over the kidney, over the both of kidney, adrenal gland is present over here, which is triangular in shape. And as we know that glands is responsible for secretion, right? So it secretes three kinds of hormones: cortisol, aldosterone, epinephrine, and norepinephrine. So epinephrine and norepinephrine is also known as adrenaline and non-adrenaline, right? So this cortisol is responsible for the wake and sleep cycle in the body, and also responsible for the maintenance of protein, fats, and blood pressure in our body. So aldosterone is responsible for the controlling of blood pH. Norepinephrine is responsible for the fight and flight response in the body, right? So here is the right kidney, which is slightly lower than the left kidney, right? Why it is lower? Because above the right kidney, liver is present over here, right? And because of the liver, it is slightly lower than the left kidney, because on the left side liver is present on the right side, right? So here is the renal vein and renal arteries is present, these two, as vein is responsible for the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the whole body, and for the purpose of filtration, and artery is responsible for the transportation of oxygenated blood in the different parts of the body, right? So here is the ureter present over here. I hope it is visible. Right, here is the ureter present over here and transport the urine in the urinary bladder, right? So here is the minor and major calyx is present, which is responsible for the collection of urine over here, right? So the bladder, urinary bladder is present here, which is responsible for the collecting of urine, right? So here is the urethra, which is responsible for the passing out drainage of urine on the to the outside, right? So as kidney is responsible for the excretion of waste material, right, maintaining acid base balance, maintenance of water balance, electrolyte balance, BP control, and making erythropoietin, right, vitamin D metabolism, which is calcitriol, right? So which we discuss later. So this is just the overview of the kidney urinary system present in our body, right? So here is the internal structure of kidney, right? So this is the longitudinal section of kidney we are going to discuss about, right? So here is the renal cortex present over here. It is the outer part of the kidney, right? It is surrounded by the renal capsule. Both serve the function of protection of its internal structure, and they both provide the space for arteries and veins, right? So the erythropoietin, which is responsible for the synthesis of new RBCs, is produced in the renal cortex, right? So here is the renal pyramid of renal medulla is also present. This is pyramid type structure, so it is known as pyramid, right? So it is triangular in structure and composed of the many tubules present over here, right? So in this structure, in this triangular shaped structure, nephron is present in between, right? So in one of this renal medulla, about 1 million of the nephrons present in between, which is responsible for the filtration of waste material, right, balance of electrolytes, right? So acid base balance. So here is the renal medulla also present over here. So it is responsible for the filtration of blood Primary function of the organ is filtration of blood. Here is the renal column is present in between the renal medulla. Renal capsule provide the protection to the internal structure of the kidney. Right, so here is the minor calyx present, which is responsible for the collection of urine and drain it into the major calyx. Major calyx later on transported it into the renal pelvis. Right, so this this renal pelvis pass the urine into the ureter, right, and from here into the urinary bladder. Right, so so the path of the urine drainage is first of all papillary duct of the renal medulla, right, minor calyx, major calyx, renal pelvis, and ureter. From the ureter it transport into the urinary bladder. Right, so this is the internal structure of kidney present over here. So this is all about this is the brief introduction of the kidney present in our body, right? So which is responsible for the filtration of blood in our body, right? A very important organ of our body, right? So basically we have two kidneys, but if one is damaged or if one need to donate it to the other person, so we can survive with only one kidney also. So this is all about the kidney. In next video we'll discuss about the nephron, right, which is very important for every exam, right? So thank you.